Hi guys, welcome to episode 9 of the Amazon Selling Common Sense podcast. In this podcast, I'm going to explain you all about how to train the Amazon algorithm against your product so that you can have the best outcome from the Amazon PPC campaigns for your product. You can have the desired results, and for every seller the desired result is to spend less on PPC and earn more out of it. But that's not an easy task these days. So let's get started. The first thing first, to start with Amazon PPC, you need to fix your Amazon listing. Find out the keywords that are pretty good for you, that are relevant, still have a low competition in your product space. Let's assume you are selling the face cream for acne. The face cream as an exact keyword will have a lot of competition, and you are gonna get buried in that competition. And the PPC cost for a single click should be around $10. And obviously, a small seller cannot afford to do that. But if you are a big corporation like Coke and these type of things, then obviously you can afford it. So now you have a face cream for acne. Let's target the keywords around that. The face cream for acne will have a lower cost, like $3, or we can say that $2, something like that. But still, it's a very costly proposition for you. The your product might cost $20, $30 for it, but still you can't get enough out of it due to it's a cost intensive process. So let's proceed further. Stuff the relevant keyword: Amazon scars, Amazon acne red, face cream also over there. Now let's create a manual campaign. Yes, you heard me right. I'm not saying automatic campaigns. I'm saying the manual campaigns. Create a manual campaign. Target all the keyword like face cream for acne, face cream for red scars, face cream for scars, and make sure whenever you are finding that if a keyword is exceeding your expectation of a click, let's say you are trying to spend $1 a click or $1.5 a click, and you are seeing the suggested bid is around $2 a bid, $3 a bid, and then what you need to do, you just need to put that keyword into exact negative, not phrase negative, exact negative. And same you do for every other keyword. Now let it run for 7 days. What will happen? Amazon always is hungry for your money. He wants to show your product to here and there. Amazon will be making money whenever you are selling product, when people are clicking on your product. In the same time, so when you have a negative phrase or negative exact these keywords which are very costly, Amazon has to show up on the other keywords which are less costly, which are according to your budget. And in this process you will find out a certain keywords which you have never expected. Let it run for another 7 days, 10 days, and you will start finding some keywords which are making sense, or which are making profits. And there might be some keywords which are not making profit, which are very loss making proposition for you. Just try to make an pattern. There might be some pattern. Let's say some people are trying to search for face cream non-oily acne, something like this. And whenever the people are searching for non-oily acne cream, and they are getting, you are not getting sales. That means there is a pattern. There's a steady pattern out there. So do one thing, just find that pattern and put everything around that into phrase match, not exact, into phrase match. Simply non-oily face cream, you can put that into a phrase match. Non-oily acne cream, you can put that into the phrase match. And after it, the big thing comes. Now you have trained Amazon. Now run an automatic campaign. Try to run it with a very lesser budget of your expectation. Let's say you are expecting to expecting to pay $1. You need to do it for, let's say, 90 cent, 80 cent, and let it run for a few days, and slowly but gradually start increasing their bids, and see where you are getting impressions. Once you start getting impressions and everything, so you will get the sales. Now do the same thing what you have done with the manual campaign. Negative match the non-performing keywords, and this is how you can leverage the automatic campaigns. Why this method will work? Because you have already trained Amazon and you have told Amazon that that for this keywords I want to work, not for the some other keywords. And thanks to everybody. This is Gaurav Agarwal. This was the episode 9 of the Amazon Selling Common Sense. Thank you.